Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix HVCI enabled in Valorant for Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your search bar and type down core isolation. Okay, click on this one right here. And once that's done, make sure that memory integrity is disabled. Okay, now if this one is already disabled for you, well, your system might need virtualization in the BIOS or UEFI. Now, if you don't know your motherboard's name, okay, or model, go ahead over to your search bar right here and find system information. Okay, so just click on it and you'll find baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product. Just go ahead and remember it. All right, now close this one and find your favorite browser and just type down, for example, ASRock B550 Pro 4 enable virtualization. Okay, yours may be different. You may have an ASUS or ROG motherboard. Okay, just add in enable virtualization. Okay, hit on enter and you'll find results right here. You can follow this or find your specific manufacturer's PDF, or you can just follow the instructions right here from the top. So go ahead and go to your BIOS by restarting and pressing or spamming delete or F2. And then under CPU configuration, you'll be able to see SVM mode, enable it. And then once done, just save and exit. After that, reboot your computer, play Valorant, and you should be good to go. And that is how you fix HVCI enabled in Valorant for Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.